Municipal governments are known for having layers on top of layers of departments and employees. Still, this list isn't infinite, meaning our cities often outsource certain tasks to independent vendors. It should come as no shock to learn that while these businesses appreciate the money that goes along with government contracts, many have serious issues with the way streets have been altered over the last few years. We spoke with a manager for a Delaware events firm who very clearly laid out the direct impact road diets have had on his operations.
See the banners on the poles? Yeah, so these bike lanes that they're putting up in the cities and stuff like that keeps us from getting to the poles. We can't do the pole, so that's money. We can't reach the pole because of the bike lane stuff. It's usually bing bang boom. We do work in other cities too, and it's all over the place. Those structures are in our way. It was during the pandemic that all that happened, and they haven't undone it yet. I didn't think it was going to be a permanent solution. It should have been temporary.
Earlier in 2025, we spent 30 minutes with a team lead for a city beautification partner who echoed the previous professional sentiments regarding streeteries.
There are areas that you would think that should have been temporary for pandemic time. So obviously I felt like that should have been cleared out already.
Cynics might argue that frustrated companies could simply cease bidding on these jobs if the work is too bothersome. We would retort that this is a myopic form of analysis. Instead, we contend that the critical lens should once again be aimed at the planners and bureaucrats who approved this chaos in the first place.